Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
MrBeast is a famous YouTuber, philanthropist, and businessman from the United States. MrBeast has a $100 net worth. According to a story from November 2022, MrBeast was looking for investors to invest in his company at a $1 billion valuation. The number of investors he attracted or the ultimate valuation have not yet been disclosed. While noting that MrBeast has acknowledged he does not make money off his videos, the net value indicated above accounts for a conservative assessment of his empire. Instead, he invests all of the funds on new product development. MrBeast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, is well known for his YouTube antics in which he donates substantial sums of money to friends or charities. He is credited with creating the first charitable YouTube stunt films. He is also among the world's highest paid YouTubers. His YouTube channel, item sales, and partnerships with companies like Microsoft and Electronic Arts brought around $24 million for him in 2020. He earned $50 million in 2021, of which around $30 million came from YouTube advertisements and $10 million from sponsorship money. MrBeast generates at least $3 million a month from only YouTube ads. Brand deals within videos are not included in that. MrBeast reportedly earned $36 million in 2022. According to reports, Jimmy puts the majority of his video revenues back into making more videos. He used to spend $10,000 on each film, but now he can spend up to $300,000 on each one. His antics frequently have a charitable component, such as offering money to random people or adopting an entire shelter of rescued canines. His 5 channels, MrBeast, MrBeast Gaming, MrBeast 2 Beast Reacts, and MrBeast Philanthropy, have amassed more than 270 million subscribers as of this writing. MrBeast is the most subscribed individual creator in the world, with 166 million members to his main channel alone, surpassing PewDiePie's 111 million. Topic facts. $3 million in monthly gross revenue is generated by channels. $20 million was raised to plant 20 million trees, has given nearly 100 automobiles, $1 billion was given away in a single video, was said to have valued the company at $1 billion. Jimmy Donaldson was born in Greenville, North Carolina. On May 7, 1998, he graduated from Greenville Christian Academy in 2016 while residing there. When he was 12 years old, he started using the YouTube username MrBeast6000 to upload videos. He briefly attended college before leaving to focus solely on his YouTube career. Early on, he mostly shared amusing compilations, response videos, and commentary on video games. After the Counting to 100,000 video was released in 2017, Jimmy initially received widespread recognition. He counted to 100,000 for 44 hours in the video. Over 21 million people would eventually see the video. He then recorded a video in which he counted to 200,000. Other well-known accomplishments include watching the Terrible Jake Paul music video, It's Everyday Bro on repeat for 10 hours, reading the dictionary, viewing the B-movie script, Ubering across America, shouting Logan Paul 100,000 times, and reading the B-movie script. His YouTube channels currently have more than 270 million subscribers and more than 28 billion video views combined. The majority of typical videos have received over 20 million views. He has 84 million TikTok followers, 21.8 million on Twitter, and 39 million Instagram followers. He has ties to PewDiePie and has spent money on radio and billboard commercials to outsubscribe T-Series. He was considered for the 2019 Shorty Awards Vlogger of the Year category. The Breakout Creator Award went to him. He was a nominee for the Favorite Male Social Star category of the 2020 Kids' Choice Awards. The 2020 YouTuber of the Year award went to him. At the Streamy Awards, he was also named the 2020 Creator of the Year. Until 2023, he kept receiving honors of this nature. More on that later. MrBeast has more than 80 million views of its videos and added 400,000 new subscribers in a single week in July 2020. Due to his achievement, he rose to the 20th position among YouTube personalities during that time. When Jimmy started engaging in stunt philanthropy in 2018, he hit gold. MrBeast donated strangers $1,000 in one of this era's most well-liked videos. His channels quickly attracted millions of subscribers, and he began to give away hundreds of thousands of dollars and even $1 billion He published a video in December 2019 challenging viewers to hold onto a stack of $1 million to cash. The money was awarded to the last person to remove their hand from the stack. Monthly income. As we previously mentioned, MrBeast makes at least $3 in every month from the views on his YouTube videos. For instance, MrBeast posted 54 videos to his 13 channels in March 2022. Total views for those 54 videos reached 283 million. We first acknowledge that MrBeast has three main sources of income in order to comprehend how much money that might have converted into: advertising income, sponsorships, merchandise, and income. In many nations, video advertisements generate very varied CPMs. In comparison to Brazilian ad views, US and Canadian video advertisements pay much more. It would be safe to expect a $5 CPM for videos on average. The cost to MrBeast net is $5 per 1,000 views. This results in a net income of $1.04 million at 283 million views. Sponsorships. MrBeast reportedly charges a primary sponsor of his main video page $1 million every month, according to prior reports. For instance, Experian, a credit agency, served as the sponsor in March. I believe it is safe to conclude that Beast is earning a minimum of another $1 billion through sponsorships on his other platforms, bringing his total earnings to $2 million. Merchandise, known as the elusive Holy Grail. According to various accounts, around half of MrBeast's $54 in revenue from merchandise sales last year. The monthly equivalent was $2.25 million. To be safe, let's round down to $2 million. Trees team. Jimmy and Mark Robert, a former NASA engineer, established the TeamTrees fundraising challenge in October 2019. Within 3 months, they aimed to generate $20 million for the Arbor Day Foundation. Within 2 months, they had raised more than the $20 mile target. And as of the time of writing, the project had raised $23 and planted more than 7 million trees. The project will have removed an estimated 1.6 million tons of carbon from the atmosphere, as well as 116,000 tons of chemical air pollution once they eventually complete their objective of planting 20 million trees. Rewards. Throughout his career thus far, MrBeast has been nominated for a number of prestigious prizes. He received the Streamy Award for Breakout Creator in 2019. He received nominations for Ensemble Cast and Creator of the Year in the same year. MrBeast won the following Streamy Awards in 2020. Live Special, Social Good, Creator of the Year, Nonprofit or NGO. At the Kids' Choice Awards in 2021, he received a nomination for Favorite Male Social Star. MrBeast was named the Favorite Male Creator at the 2022 Kids' Choice Awards. In 2023, he won it once more. He was slimmed after accepting the prize. MrBeast Burger. Jimmy introduced the MrBeast Burger in December 2020 in collaboration with more than 300 eateries around the US. The MrBeast Burger app soon became the most downloaded free software on the Apple Store the day after its release. He has so far sold more than 1 million hamburgers. He established a brick-and-mortar MrBeast Burger restaurant in East Rutherford, New Jersey's American Dream Mall in September 2022. Later, MrBeast expressed remorse about the inability to guarantee quality and expressed a desire to stop the MrBeast Burger operation, but the Virtual Dining Concepts company would not permit that to happen. Sadly, it turned out that there was a problem with the MrBeast Burger. MrBeast sued Virtual Dining Concepts in August 2023, claiming the business produced food that was both unpalatable and of poor quality. The complaint further said that MrBeast had lost all profits from the business in the roughly 3 years since the burger's introduction. It was revealed in August 2023 that Virtual Dining would countersue MrBeast for $100 million. A personal life. Jimmy has Crohn's disease, which is an inflammatory bowel disorder. In the 9th grade, the illness was discovered in him. He has made reference to his protracted fight with the incapacitating disease over the years. Before his illness was discovered, he was experiencing almost daily illnesses and once dropped 30 pounds over the course of a summer due to his excruciating suffering. MrBeast takes medicine and adheres to a fairly rigid diet. Girlfriend. Jimmy and Maddie Spadell started dating in June 2019. They connected on Twitter. In a video from February 2020 titled "Surprising My Girlfriend with 100,000 Roses for Valentine's Day," Maddie was initially identified as MrBeast's girlfriend. As of this writing, that video has received more than 50 million views. Maddie has now gone on to make appearances in a number of further MrBeast videos, such as "I adopted every dog in a dog shelter," and "I spent 50 hours in solitary confinement."